Typing on your phone takes up more time than you think. But what if I told you there are hidden features on your Android or iPhone that can make you type twice as fast without installing any apps? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about swipe typing. Instead of tapping every single letter, just slide your finger from one letter to another. It's called glide typing on Android and QuickPath on iPhone. Once you get used to it, you can type full sentences in seconds. It's that fast. Next, try using your spacebar as a trackpad. If you've ever tried to move your cursor between letters, you know how annoying it can be. Here's the trick. Just press and hold the spacebar, then slide your finger. Now you can move the cursor anywhere in the text smoothly, like using a mouse. Third, let's talk about text shortcuts. Go to your keyboard settings, text replacement on iPhone or personal dictionary on Android. You can create shortcuts like for on my way or address for your full address. Every time you type the shortcut, it automatically expands, saving tons of time. Fourth, use voice typing. On both Android and iPhone, tap the microphone icon on your keyboard and just start speaking. The accuracy has improved a lot. Perfect for when your hands are busy or you just don't feel like typing. Another hidden feature, Clipboard Manager. Many Android keyboards like Gboard save your last copied texts. Tap the clipboard icon, and you can quickly paste any of your recent copies. No more copying the same thing over and over. And finally, keyboard themes and layout. If you're using a large phone, switch to one-handed mode so you can type faster with your thumb. Try these hidden features today, and you'll type faster, smarter, and more comfortably than ever before. Your thumbs will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.